Afternoon, midday. This is Fernando once again. I'm making now a review of the FUD or food pizza. It's an American brand of product for groceries, stuff like that. It's a ham and more, and now plus more pepperoni. That it includes, some sauce. Yes, you can cook this in the microwave or in the stove. So I'm going to demonstrate. Here are the sauce that are provided here from the pizza. So we grab one and we grab one more too again. We're not going to use them at all. But anyway, let's start preparing the pizza. But in order to make it very good, I'm going to demonstrate you how it prepares very good the pizza. The pizza, it's in a good condition of the factory. Oh yes. So first up, I'm going to extract the pizza. Yeah. First, let's take it out of the containers. Oh, sorry, the pepperonis. Don't forget the pepperonis. Pepperonis. Yeah. And the cheese. And more. Oh, the last pepperoni. Oh, the last flavor. It is. Very good. We're looking better now. Now, let's place it in this microwave. What we're going to do, we're going to taste it. We're going to eat it, yes. So, this is what is considered a flavor. We're not going to use this because we have other ingredients to put on the pizza. We put on the pizza section. Cancel. And start initiating the pizza. So there goes the pizza to be cooked as well. It's a little bit very right. I'm gonna have to put it a little. Here we go. We can see the pizza's now been cooking in the good conditions. So this is the FUD pizza, by the way. Y'all really like pizza across in Russia, including in Yekaterinburg and Kursk, Russia, oblast, Russia, and the rest of the country of Russia, including Saint Petersburg, Russia, and much more. Please make sure to give it a like because the pizza is now in the microwave. Yes, and the pizza it's ready to be prepared in just a few minutes. So I have a coffee from oxxo and Andati coffee, cold coffee. Yes. It's a cappuccino, stuff like that, yes. Uh-huh. And I did purchase something from the pharmacy. We don't want to, this is not a review demonstration. I'm going to have to leave it for later. Clorox toilet cleaner. Uh-huh. Very good. The pizza's now been prepared. It's now 56 seconds. Make sure to give it a like, make some comments, and what do you believe and think below? Make some comments in Russian and English to me, please, because I don't speak Russian at all. I don't understand the Cyrillic alphabet language, by the way. But make sure to please give it a like. And what do you think about this pizza? Well, God bless you and enjoy the video. I'm going to have to end this video. I'm signing off. Goodbye, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Enjoy the video. Goodbye.